Now in 1991, you may have left it like this, but we want to create that like, did she curl her hair? Did she wave it? Tutorial. We don't want to look like we just got a perm and whatnot, unless you want to and that's your vibe, and that is totally okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be how I curl my hair using a GHD straightener. I've always used a GHD to curl my hair. It's very rare that I actually use a curler. This is the GHD that I use. Any GHD will do. This one's just like a special edition one that was all black, super sleek, so I love that. So we're gonna get my hair from this to this. I'm just gonna brush it all out, and for the purpose of this video, I will section it off just into 4 sections and just get that all out of the way using this big clip. Grab that. I'm gonna flip it all the way around so that the hair is now coming out from the end, and then I'm gonna pull downwards. The slower you actually pull the hair through, the tighter the wave is. On the end, I hold it for just a second, and then you've got this curl, and then I wrap it around my finger and keep it in this tight curl for a little while. I'm gonna grab the next section, flip all the way around, and then down. Again, smooth, flip, down. So now this side is quite warm. You want to avoid brushing it while it's warm because you're just going to brush the entire curl out. Warmth will style where you want it to be. So when it's cool is when you can work on brushing it and smoothing it, because we don't want this to be the end result. So you kind of have to sit with this for a little while, and you just like, for me personally, I'm always like dying to just start styling it, but that will just defeat the whole purpose. But basically, you want all the hair to be going back. So instead of flipping forward and into your face, you want it out of the face. So these ones are all flipping out of the face, and we want the same for this side. So we have to flip, but we have to flip differently. Like right there instead, and then down. I think I'm doing this right. Oh my God, I just stuffed the whole thing up. But I'm still flipping, sliding and twisting and whatever I said, spinning, like I said on the other side, and now they're getting a bit better. Yeah, sometimes it takes a couple of goes to do the other side just to get used to it. This is why girls take 6 hours, and boys, to get ready. Just one side, you just get a much tighter curl. Once it starts cooling down, is grab hairspray. This is the Percy and Reed Strong Hold, surprisingly strong, extra hold hairspray. And I just hold it up and spray about, not in my eye like I just did. That side's not quite ready, so let's just wait. And smooth, and flip, and slide, and twist. Come on now, smooth, flip, slide, and twist. And you're ready to go. No, you're not. Then I'm gonna just flip it all out. And I've decided to now just take this middle section, which is like the pieces that frame your face, and just get those out of the way. I grab bigger sections the higher I get, because I don't want to have like curly Sue hair. Smooth, flip, slide. But I go a little bit slower. And twist. How come this side just turns out so nicely? And then kind of shake it all around, spray it all together. Just let it fall where it would fall. At the moment, mine's in the middle. So I'm gonna roll with that. And I grab the outer, like the back pieces first. This is where I really focus on pulling the straightener up for volume. So like in a rounded way. And then I'm gonna flip it a lot lower. Instead of starting the flip high, I'm gonna flip it lower, slide it, and then twist it. And the curl will start more towards where your eye starts rather than up there. And for this inner part, it's really important that it's not too curly. So again, flip it lower, twist it down, and then on the side, see I'm holding it on the side, and you get a much more soft curl, and it like bounces right out like. And that literally has taken 15 minutes. Like I can see 15 minutes on the screen, which I think is pretty good. I have a lot of hair, so if you have less hair, it won't take as long. But as you can see, I'm gonna give you guys a bit of a 360 of everything. Pre-brushing it out. Only you guys know what it looks like at the back. I have no idea. It can be a complete mess. Maybe I should actually look. No, it's beautiful. So just gonna wait for her to cool down and then we're gonna brush her out. So what I'm gonna do is now brush it out. Now this is kind of like the make or break time of the tutorial. You can really stuff it up at this point, but it's able to be saved. And I'm just gonna lightly brush the curls out, slash heavily brush the curls out. And see how they're all kind of brushing into like one conjoined curl? That's the aim. Love. I can already see that I want this side a little bit more bouncy. This side is fine, so I'm actually going to spray it. And then I'm gonna grab a little comb, which I don't know why it has a little diamante on there. Must have added that ages ago. And then everywhere there's like a curve or a wave, I'm just gonna like tease it upwards. Just to kind of give it more volume there. Kind of like if you placed something like I see it on Instagram, they like put hairspray and stuff there. I don't know why, but it kind of shapes it out. Just kind of tease it to keep that curl where it is. Love. See how it's just like way more bouncy? And then curl it. And then this side needs a little bit of loving at the front. I actually have one more thing I want to finish it off with. Shine Mist by Percy and Reed. It's a fragrance, shine and fragrance mist. And that, people, is how I curl my hair slash wave my hair using a GHD straightener. So if you liked this video and it helped you learn how to curl your hair, then please let me know below. And of course, there's people that have even more tips on perfecting that side of your hair that never is quite as snazzy, then do let me know.